This palak chicken is a very tasty desi treat. Do try it the way I made it and you will love the taste. I made this brown rice which we call tarika rice or zira rice or bagarewe rice, and you will definitely enjoy that. In this recipe, you have to fry the onions with the cover lid so it get moisture and it will become more soft. It's better to gather all the ingredients in a separate plate. You can see the onions are light golden. You don't need to brown it the whole. On this stage, add all the ingredients, all the masala. I'm sorry I couldn't record that moment. Put some water and let it cook. This fenugreek leaves, or you can call it methi, the dry methi. It gives a very different flavor to this palak. You have to wash it and soak it. And now add in your masala. Add some water on this stage and cover the lid so the methi can cook well. This is the spinach. I mashed it, boiled it, mashed it and then freeze it. You can see the bubbling methi. And now you add the chicken. And on this stage, you don't need to fry the chicken or something. You just mix it in your masala. Add some cardamoms, some cloves, and then add some water and cover the lid and let it cook. Here I am adding my boiled, grinded, freezed spinach, but you can add the fresh one as well. You just need to boil it and then grind it and add it. Cover the lid so it can defrost well. Now you can see it's already separated, and then this time you have to mix it, or you can say you have to fry it a little. Adding milk to palak is a key ingredient, and it gives a smooth, silky texture. Also, I add frozen cream, but if you have fresh cream, you can add the fresh one as well. You have to fry off and on this stage, so the cream and the milk mix very well, and all the water gets dry. Now you can see clearly the creamy texture of that gravy. It's looking so amazing. You have to put it on dum for some time, and here you can see the final look. You cannot feel the smell coming out of it. This palak chicken is so amazing that I couldn't resist eating it, so I make the brown rice separately. I hope you like this recipe, and do write me in the comments box. And also do try it as well at your home and let me know in the comments. This palak chicken tastes so amazing with this brown rice. I hope you enjoy this cooking, and this is a must try dish. Do try this palak chicken as I did. It was amazingly tasty. Give a thumbs up if you really like my video, and do subscribe to my channel. And you can also share my videos to your friends. See you again. Bye bye.